are homes, and then there are homes that completely change the way a family lives. Welcome to one of Fullerton's best opportunities, a beautifully updated 6-bedroom home with a separate ADU, perfectly designed for growing families, multi-generational living, or anyone looking to create additional rental income. But before we step inside, let's talk about why people love calling Fullerton home. You're surrounded by beautiful neighborhood parks, excellent schools, local shopping, incredible restaurants, and just minutes from the vibrant energy of downtown Fullerton. Whether you're commuting to Orange County, Los Angeles, or the Inland Empire, convenient freeway access makes getting anywhere simple, while the quiet neighborhood lets you come home and truly relax. And while Fullerton itself offers incredible quality of life, one of the biggest advantages is where it places you within all of Orange County. Imagine spending your weekends just minutes from the magic of the Disneyland resorts, catching a game over at Angel Stadium, cheering on the Anaheim Ducks, or enjoying a concert at the Honda Center, or experiencing the excitement of the new OC Vibe Entertainment District that's transforming the area into one of Southern California's premier destinations. And when it's time to unwind, some of the most beautiful beaches, including Huntington Beach, Newport Beach, Laguna Beach, and Dana Point, are all just a short drive away. Whether it's surfing, boating, dining on the water, golfing, hiking, shopping, professional sports, world-class entertainment, or simply enjoying the Southern California sunshine, living here means you're never far from the experiences that make Orange County one of the most desirable places to call home. Because you're not just buying a home, you're buying into one of the most desirable lifestyles in California. From the moment you arrive, you'll appreciate the oversized driveway with room for multiple vehicles, the RV parking, and an inviting curb appeal that immediately feels like home. Now I want you to step inside and let's show you why this home lives up to this incredible location here in the city of Fullerton. Right when you step inside, you come through these beautiful archway doors here. You recognize immediately this does not feel like your typical 1950s home. It's because it's not. It was actually expanded in the 80s and then completely remodeled in the 2000s. So you kind of get the best of all three worlds, essentially. Because you're getting this thoughtfully extended and extensively remodeled property, it's really blending a lot of the timeless character with modern comfort. This living room space is massive. You've got these soaring ceilings, recessed lighting, this beautiful flooring in here, and then let's not forget this gorgeous natural light that just pours inside from your newer dual pane windows. You've got this elegant black mantle here for your fireplace. I love how it's just nestled in the corner. You have plenty of seating here so that you can have family over, friends, and really just enjoy everyone's company and time. And that's what you're really buying here. Not the bedrooms, not the bathrooms. You're buying this feeling of togetherness, this feeling of a foundation, this feeling of home. The dining room, it continues that openness, that grandiose space. Like when you walked in, you've got the high ceilings up here, the custom chandelier, this gorgeous marble flooring, and then let's not forget these incredible windows that just bring all this natural light pouring inside. Whether it's holiday dinners or Sunday breakfasts, this is going to be the space where some of the best memories are created for you and your family. At the heart of every home is the kitchen, and this one delivers. You've got the beautiful black granite countertops, this gorgeous center island. By the way, a huge center island space. You have enough storage for all of your needs. You've got the glass cabinet doors, see through into all of your items. I love that you got the stainless steel appliances, The marble flooring keeps going throughout the property, and then this beautiful sunshine that just pours inside. But at night, you've got recessed lighting, you've got a walk-in pantry, you have everything you need and plenty of room for everyone to gather together here. If it's not at the center island, it's gonna be over here at your dining room table. This is gonna be the space that brings the entire family together. Just off of the kitchen, you've got the family room. Now, this space is nice because it's connected, but you don't feel like you're sacrificing a lot of space. It's nice and cozy. You can use it as your sitting room. You can use it as your gathering space for your friends, your family, your kiddos. Maybe grab a couple of books. This could be the reading room. This has so many functionalities here. You've got large windows that just keep pouring in that natural sunshine. That's such a big one because I can't tell you how many people tell me when they walk through properties, the home feels dark. You don't get that with this property. With these large windows, you get all this natural sunshine. So I like to share it with you because when you do come in, you're gonna notice it immediately. So with the wood flooring, the custom shelving, and then just this nice cozy space, it's really where you're gonna spend most of your time after a long day sitting and unwinding. And that's what I really enjoy about this family room space. Now, before you take a look at the bedrooms, I wanna show you something pretty interesting. For a lot of you, I'm showing you the space that you get here. But for those with a bigger vision, who want something even far more grandiose than what's already here, picture this. The couches are gone, you have a bigger space here. This wall comes down, and now you have a huge open concept if you're willing to sacrifice a little bit of the dining room space, which traditionally, that was always the go-to. Today, we're seeing a lot more families want to open up their space even more than that's there. So I just like you to see that you have that capability to do that here because you have the square footage, you have the height from the ceilings, and then all you need is the vision and the resources. Let's take you to the bedrooms. One of the biggest advantages of this home is its flexibility. With 6 bedrooms, one of those bedrooms being a dedicated office space and multiple living areas, there's room for everyone. Whether you have a large family, need private guest accommodations, work from home, homeschool your children, or simply want space to grow, this home adapts to your lifestyle instead of forcing your lifestyle to adapt to the home. The primary suite offers a peaceful retreat featuring custom built-ins, a generous walk-in closet space, and a beautifully updated ensuite bathroom, complete with modern finishes, upgraded fixtures, and thoughtful touches throughout the entire space. Now stepping outside, you're discovering another extension of the home. You've got this amazing covered pergola, extensive fruit trees, retractable shades, artificial turf, stone seating area, and a private backyard setting creates the perfect environment for entertaining friends or simply enjoying a quiet Southern California evening. Now let's talk about something that truly sets this property apart from everyone else. This detached ADU. Whether you're caring for parents, providing independence for adult children, welcoming long-term guests, or creating additional streams of rental income, this separate living space opens the door to opportunities that very few homes can offer. And in today's market, that kind of flexibility creates tremendous long-term value. At the end of the day, this isn't just 6 bedrooms. This isn't just an ADU detached. This isn't just a beautifully updated and renovated home. It's a home built around flexibility and family, and around creating the lifestyle that you've been searching for. If you've been waiting for a property that gives you room to grow today while creating opportunities for tomorrow, this may be exactly what you've been looking for. I hope you enjoyed this tour. I'm Frank Del Rio. I would love to personally show you this in person so that you can fully experience everything that this Fullerton home has to offer. Reach out to me, my information's below on the screen, and I'd love to meet you. If you loved this tour, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see all of our incredible home tours. And if you want to check us out behind the scenes, give us a follow on Instagram.